pretty much in an uptrend. As you can all recall, we were buying it above the 102.63, and you can look here, you can see the capitulation that we had in the pound, in the Aussie Swiss, and you can see here on the intraday, this is a magnificent, a pretty looking chart, technically pretty looking chart. There is your momentum high, there is your failure, there is your structure. Right below the structure you got your capitulation, a new momentum low, which was pretty much the daily low. Now again, once it took the second daily low, which was the momentum low in the downward trend, you can see that the capitulation resumed. This is not selling, this is capitulation. So the Aussie Swiss would definitely be one of our candidates to take it short, and we're going to take it short below the low of the day. And if we're going to buy it, we're going to buy it above the 101.80, because that's the intraday structure. So our buying point would be right there, and if I do, my stop is going to be here on the long side. And if I'm going to take it short, I'm going to take it short because I'm looking for a resumption of the trend, a continuation. So the low here is 101.33. So my short is 101.53. My stop is going to be above the 101.52. And I'm going to look for the structural short point in a second. My buying point is above 101.80. And my stop is going to be below the 101.52. So let's see the structural long point and structural short points. The next structural long point is the 102.07. But the short point, wow, is the 99.44. So we're looking at a couple of hundred pips slide down in the Aussie Swiss. And this does make sense because the Swiss is a safe haven. So if they're going to go out of the Aussie, they might be looking at another safe haven. So the Swiss might be the closest safe haven as possible. They wouldn't be interested too much in the pound or the euro. They will be taking the pound or the euro as a short covering. But this is maybe just as some accumulation would be here. So the next structural short point is going to be the 99. 99.44, and the structural long point is going to be the 102.07. So for the Aussie Swiss, we're going to primarily go short below the low of the day, which is the 101.53. We have a structural short point at 99.44, and our stop is going to be the 101.52. On the long side, we're going to buy above the structural point on the intraday, and our stop is going to be below the structural point, which is the 101.52, and the next structure to the upside is the 102.07. All right, that is the Aussie Swiss. So what's left is we're going to look at, let me save this.